Matou, Matou. The Samoan language has a way to emphasize the person in a sentence without actually having to say their name. We do this by saying the pronoun after the verb. This phrase reads, oulua o alu, or I will go. Future tense marker oulua, pronoun o or I, and then the verb alu or go. Now in a typical flow of conversation, you'll likely hear oulua o alu. But if I really wanted to emphasize that it is I or me going to get mom from bingo once again, but not you, I would say the pronoun after the verb alu to add emphasis to me. But notice that when this happens, o turns to a'u, oulua alua'u. With that said, there's a set of pronouns that come before the verb to help describe the action, and then there's another set that comes after the verb to put emphasis on the person or the people that's doing the action. Learn both sets of pronouns to make your phrases.